Super pretty.
Very pretty island. Kauai is considered the garden island because of how lush it is, and it's supposed to rain a lot in here. So hopefully we're able to do everything we want without much rain. But we'll see. I mean, because there's big swell in the ocean, so they canceled our boat trip to the Napali coast, which was a shame. But yeah, when I saw the report for the ocean, I knew that was it. We'll do hikes around the island. We'll go around the island more, check out more of the island. I guess we're here until Thursday afternoon, and then we head back to Oahu. So we'll be showing you guys a little bit of Kauai while we're here. Just got to the Spouting Horn Park, which is it's a blowhole. Yeah, it's literally it's a blowhole. It's a water blowhole, and since
pretty big.
Yeah, it's big because there's waves right now. I mean, there's a weird northwest swell for this time of the year. This is not normal for Hawaii. It's been extremely rare conditions in Hawaii this last couple of months because the swell season lasts until like the end of March, and they've continued to have northwest swells hitting. I had marked it before in the GPS thinking that it was not going to be, we're not going to be able to see it, but since there's waves, yeah, we're here. So we'll show you how it looks like. Hi guys.
Actually, guys, I want to try something from here, like seltzer. It's pretty, the design of the can. I'm a designer, so I wanted to try it, but don't get fooled. The beverage itself is no nice. it's like tasted something like
a vitamin C, one of those
something like that. Super like.
It's like remedy. It's like a remedy.
But it's pretty.
Alright guys, we'll keep exploring Kauai on the south coast. We're gonna try to head to the mountains, try to see the Waimea Canyon, which is supposed to be the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. We'll try to do a hike there this afternoon for sunset. So I'm gonna go to a little spot to see Waimea Falls here in Waimea Canyon. And I'm going to show you in a bit what I mean. It's a pretty spectacular view right here. Wait till you see it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
I saw one open
full day today. We're gonna go to Waialua Falls, and we're gonna eat breakfast by Poipu at the Little Fish. I'm gonna hang out in Poipu for a bit, maybe have lunch, and then head to the north side of the island. They made it look so easy, but it's super steep. A lot of roots, a lot of mud. You know, like almost rappelling with ropes. Pretty steep, but yeah, we're almost down there. You can hear the falls already thundering. So we'll show you in a bit when we get there. Woo! We are actually gonna go to Hanalei Bay for sunset. We stopped at a sushi place that Holly found.
The fish is fresh.
Really, really good. So we'll see you at Hanalei Bay. We arrived at Hanalei and look at the weather. Wow, it's raining a lot. Holly's trying to get some coffee, so we'll see. We'll see how Hanalei Bay is, how the beach is. Hopefully the sun is coming up. It's clearing out. Hopefully it clears out for the sunset today. Hopefully it clears out so we can fly the drone, get some drone shots from here. Beach.